Hanuman Chalisa is for courage, protection, and clarity. 2026, the year of the sun. Welcome to Just 5 Life Card Series, where we embrace life fully, understanding it, accepting it, and rising with quiet grace. Today is January 6, 2026, the first Tuesday of the year of the sun Surya. A day devoted to Mahavir Hanuman, the eternal embodiment of inner fire, courage, discipline, and selfless strength. In a year ruled by the sun, a year that asks us to stand tall, take responsibility, and act with clarity. Remembering Hanumanji becomes deeply meaningful. These 40 simple verses of Hanuman Chalisa carry infinite power. They remind us that life often does not ask for solutions, but for endurance to persist, faith to move forward, and peace to simply breathe. A gentle note before we dive in. आज हम हनुमान चालीसा के कुछ चुनिंदा दोहे और चौपाइयों पर चिंतन करेंगे, जो शांति, साहस, रक्षा और संतुलन प्रदान करने वाली मानी जाती हैं। हालांकि ये सत्य है कि संपूर्ण हनुमान चालीसा मानव जीवन के कल्याण के लिए रची गई है। Today, we reflect on a few universal verses specially relevant for 2026 solar energy. Friends, verses that nurture peace, courage, protection, and inner balance that every soul seeks. Peace, purity, and inner clarity. बुद्धिहीन तनुजान के सुमरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे, हरियो क्लेश विकार. O Hanuman, aware of my limitations, I remember you, bless me with strength, wisdom, and knowledge, and remove my inner afflictions and impurities. The benefits of this is that this doha humbles the ego and clears the heart. Perfect for the sun year where clarity and right direction are essential. It helps to dissolve confusions, ease emotional heaviness, support students and learners, guide important life decisions. Courage and fearlessness. भीम रूप धर असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे. You assumed a mighty form, destroyed negativity, and fulfilled Lord Rama's divine purpose. The benefit of this doha is this chopai awakens Surya-like energy, the strength to stand firm, accept responsibilities, and lead without fear. It enforces a quiet inner truth, मैं कमजोर नहीं हूँ. Especially supportive during pressure, opposition, and moments of major responsibility. Protection and negativity. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. Negative forces cannot come near where the name of Mahavir Hanuman is remembered. The benefits of this doha is that in a year of sun, stress and ego clashes can intensify. This verse builds an inner shield, reducing fear, anxiety, and emotional instability. Faith itself becomes protection. Relief from pain and stress. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. Suffering and pain diminish through constant remembrance of brave Hanuman. The benefits of this doha strengthens emotional endurance during stress, fatigue, long or difficult phase of life. This is not just a substitute for medicine, but a powerful mental and emotional support. For overall balance and well-being. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरो हनुमत बलबीरा. Crisis reduce and suffering fades for those who remember mighty Hanuman. The benefits of this doha in 2026 is universal assurance for 2026, a year that tests confidence but rewards discipline, humility, and faith. It gently shifts the mind from fear to trust and pressure to purpose. Hanuman Chalisa does not change life by force, it changes you. And in the year of the sun, this inner transformation is the real victory. Regular chanting with devotion, calm and restless mind builds steady self-belief, encourage sattvic discipline, awaken silent, unwavering courage. Just 5, the Life Guard series, offer spiritual and emotional guidance to support inner strength and balanced living. This content is not a substitute for medical, psychological, or professional advice. Spiritual practice support, but do not replace right actions and expert care. Individual experiences vary based on faith, discipline, and efforts. We don't fight life, we understand it,